love me?
Of course I love you. I love you more than anything.
What? Speak to you later.
Speak to you later.
Good night, fucker.
Good day, fucker.
What, fucker?
Yes, what do you want?
Hello, fucker.
Hello, fucker.
Oh my God.
Stop it, farty pants.
What?
You'll never get out that window. It's not open wide enough.
Fuck off.
It's only an inch wide. You'll never get out of there. I don't know why you want to escape anyway. The seagulls, last time you escaped, the seagulls pulverised you. Didn't they? Stop doing the fluttery.
Can't you, fucker?
Oh, hey! Please don't do the fluttery wings. I really can't bear it. It's horrible. You look as if you're demented or possessed by some sort of spirit. Are you possessed of a spirit, dear?
Good night, fucker.
Oh, good day, fucker.
Good night, fucker. Nick.
Yes, darling?
What?
I love you. Who's Jed?
Nick?
Who's Jed?
Nick.
Oh, I thought you said Jed.
Come on, darling.
Come
You
on,
alright?
darling. Yeah, I'm alright. I wish you wouldn't do the fluttery wings though. It does drive me mental.
Come on, you old freak.
I'm not an old freak.
Fuck up.
You're not being very kind to me today.
Fuck good night, fuck.
Are you?
Come on, give me a cuddle.
How can I give you a cuddle when you're all mentally flappy?
What? Good night. What, sir?
What?
Nick.
What?
Get out, fuck, good night. Come on, pick up this cuddle.
You're mumbling, dear.
Fuck off, you cunt. Bastard. Cunt. Stop it here. Come here, fucker.
Hey.
Come here, fucker. Pick up what?
What?
Hello, fucker.
Hello, fucker.
Oh my God.
What are you doing?
Come on.
What? What do you want?
Where are you?
I'm sitting right in front of you. Don't be ridiculous.
I'm going to exaggerate.